Hello and welcome to our channel Financial Delivery Exclusive Investment Consulting. Today we're gonna talk about Russian market and all the things related with it. First of all, you can see the results of our portfolio. It's rather bad. We are down 3.52% per week. This downside movement mostly caused by two reasons. First of all, it's a big fall of one of our low liquidity share on a dividend point. We will receive the money from dividend and we will compensate most of this fall. But this fall was much more extensive than I expected. So this shows us that Russian market is still not in very good conditions. People are selling without any reason, in my view. Why it's happening? Why it's happening? Because there's private investors. They don't have maybe knowledge, understanding of the market. They don't use value analysis as we do. Warren Buffett once said that if something which the cost of, I don't know, 10 are now down from 2 to 1, I will buy more. But this logic does not work into the Russian market. So if you are looking at this video, you may be interested in investing in Russia. And in my view, it is a time now to make purchases here. There's a lot of very cheap stocks in Russia. In my view, Russian market need more capital and more capital. I don't know, some big capital maybe there. There is a time to buy here. If you have money, you may invest in the Russian market with our help. Please contact me. You see the way of it during this video. You may do it by email, by calling to our toll-free number in US, and by contacting me in the Telegram. Please find a way, and I'll let you know how can I help you. So to the overall market, you see, the situation is not very bad in my view. Yes, there is a lot of big movement in down movement in our market. I relate it with the behavior of people. They don't know what to do. They begin to panic and they sell. This is maybe the one thing they know about the market is how to sell. But maybe the situation will change. The whole technical situation right now, the composition, right, you see my mouse here, should show us that there is a minimum. Maybe it will go down somewhere, but we are on a minimum in the Russian market. There is potential to reversal head and shoulders model in the Russian shares. Yes, we need to came through this blue line, this resistance line. You see the market came closer, but it was impossible for it to came through this resistance line and it began to fall. In my view, the situation is not so bad, so maybe it's time to buy Russian stocks. Please follow us. I said to you how to contact me. Let's look at the OVK shares. As I told you before, this is one of stock with high liquidity, where private investors are concentrated. So it's quite a benchmark of understanding the behavior of what, in the technical point of view, people think. Yes, there is a bear model format here, but I can see the way it will turn on in the near future. So the situation is not very bad, but if you see just in this graph, maybe you say we need to sell, but I don't think so. Even this share show us that maybe we are near the turning point in the Russian market. So let's look to the other one graph. So it shows you the course. It shows us that the model of the bull model of Chinese currency is have worked quite good, and maybe the Chinese currency is near the top here, and maybe it will reverse down in the next week. I will let you know in a Telegram channel. Please subscribe. Our site is not, our English site is not ready yet, unfortunately, so I have to only deliver you videos, but I hope maybe in the fall we will make a website for English speaking world. It's preparing. So the situation too in bonds, in Russian bonds. No, you see that after some good sign, which I showed to you in the previous week, it was the market was here, but you see that Russian bonds cannot find a way to grow. I may not say that it will fall sharply. I don't expect it, but there is no way to grow for a Russian bond. This is a complex situation, but for people who live outside Russia, it's a good time to invest in a Russian bond. You can get around 15% per year. It's a very good yield in my view, and I don't expect some big fall and rise of the yield in the Russian Federation. So to the conclusion. In a Russian market, I describe the situation as maybe quite volatile, but it's not a bad situation. We are on the bottom, and in my view, we could grow, but there is an important blue line, resistant line, which we need to came from. OVK share maybe will turn on in the near future, but there is still a bear model. Russian ruble is falling, but in my view, it will find a way to grow maybe in the next week. So the situation in the bond market is not very good. Thank you very much.